Hello, children. Good morning. Children, we will learn two subtopics, life on the earth and realms of the earth. First of all, we will learn topic life on the earth. In the solar system, the earth is the only planet which supports life. Scientists are still searching, but they did not find any other planet which supports life like our Earth because it has air, sunlight, and water. Do you know, children? We cannot live more than few days without drinking water. ज़्यादा दिन हम पानी के बिना जीवित नहीं रह सकते. Do you know the main source of energy on our Earth? Tell me. Yes, it's the sun. Sun gives us light and heat. Without sun, how you will grow the crops? And our body need vitamin D. वो भी तो सूरज से ही मिलता है, right? That is the reason why the sun is very important. You know, children, the earth has given us natural gifts. Number one is plants. It gives food and shelter to us and animals. Number two is animals. We have so many animals on our earth like dog, elephant, rabbit, bird and fishes. Third and the most important gift is human being, you and me. We are the one who use all the plants and animals. We live together on this earth. You know, children, earth is our home. Only the earth has life. So it is our duty to protect it. So children, let us come together to save our earth. Now we will learn about realms of the earth. There are four types: atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Atmosphere means air. Lithosphere means land. Biosphere means living things. And hydrosphere means water. First of all, we will learn about atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer. इसकी चारों तरफ एक लेयर है, वह एयर है, उसी को एटमॉस्फेयर कहते हैं. It contains many gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. These are the main two gases. There are other gases also like nitrogen and argon. These are present in very small quantity. Atmosphere keeps the earth temperature steady. Atmosphere हमारे अर्थ के टेम्परेचर को स्थिर बनाए रखता है. For example, just feel how you're feeling in the daytime. Hot, right? But at the night time, how you feel? Little cold. This is because of the temperature. अब आपको पता चला ना कि एटमॉस्फेयर कैसे टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल करता है. In the daytime we feel hot and in the night time we feel little cold. Now we will learn about lithosphere. It means land surface, ज़मीन या भूमि. It is made up of rocks and soil. It provides us many materials like soil, rocks, and different kinds of minerals. We can use our land to make houses. We can do agriculture and we can make industries. We are using land in many ways, so it is our duty to protect it. Okay, children? Let us know about hydrosphere. It means water surface. Do you know there are three main forms of water, and they are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid is hard. It can be ice cube. Liquid means simple water. Gas, it can be water vapor. You have studied about this. Water supports a lot of aquatic creature. बहुत सारे animals पानी में रहते हैं, like starfish, seal, dolphin, etc. You can see many water plants. And we use water in many ways. So children, let us save water. Let us see what is biosphere. In biosphere, all the microorganisms, different animals and plenty of plants comes. We the human being lives air, water and land to live because life exists in the land, air and water, and earth gives us everything. Biosphere overlaps all other realms. We use everything which is present on the earth. So it's our duty to make good use of every natural thing. Hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.